So guys, you want to enable virtualization or VT-X in your BIOS. So you want to go to search and type in reset this PC, click on it. And now once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Which will then take us to here. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. I'm now in the BIOS of my Asus laptop. Now, we're all using different laptops and motherboards, so your BIOS might look a bit different to mine, but it's still going to be quite similar. You want to enable Intel virtualization technology, or it might be saying for you VT-D, or it might be saying VT-X. For me, I have Intel virtualization technology, I already have it enabled, and I have VT-D, I have it enabled as well. So in my case, I had to go to the advanced tab and I found all of this and I enabled it. In your case, just go through the tabs and then you want to find this and then enable it. Then you want to save and exit, save changes and exit, and then confirm. It will take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.